गुरुदेव कालीचरण ब्रह्मनि 83थि रुंसारि सान। गुरुदेवनि बे रुंसारि सान थामहिनबा 8 मे बोसोरफ्रोमबो बे सानखौ गसाइगाव B.Ed कलेजा गुरुदेवनि मुङाव गुरुदेव कालीचरण ब्रह्म थुनलाइयारि फोरबो महरै फालिनायनि मोनसे थांखि लादों। दिनै सेथि गुरुदेव कालीचरण ब्रह्म थुनलाइयारि फोरबो, नाथाय भारत सरकारनि लकडाउननि थाखाय जोङो बे फोरबोखौ जों गाजा गोमजायै खुंनो हायाखै। बे हाबाफारियाव जोङो जायगानि फरायसाफोरखौ लेंहरनानै बायदि रोखोमनि थुनलाइयारि हाबाफारि जोङो खुंफुंगोन, जेरै सावगारि बोनाय, खन्थाइ आवरायनाय, बादायलायनाय आरो गोबां रोखोमनि जों थुनलाइयारि फोरबो जोङो बेयाव जोङो खुंफुंगोन। देग्लाय लकडाउननि थाखाय जों गाजा गोमजायै जों खुंनो हायाखै। जोङो मिथिगौ गुरुदेव कालीचरण ब्रह्मआ सासे धोरोम गुरुल' नङामोन। बिथांनि जि साननाय, बिथांनि जि मावनाय, बियो जोबोरै गुवारमोन। गुरुदेव कालीचरण ब्रह्मनि नाजानायाव 1912 मायथाइयाव ब्रह्म कम्पानि गायसननाय जादों। 1919 मायथाइयाव बर' फरायसा आफाद दानाय जादों। 1921 मायथाइयाव बर' महासन्मिलन खुंनाय जादों आरो 1923 मायथाइयाव आबादारि आफाद, 1925 मायथाइयाव बर'नि गिबि लाइसि बिबार बेखौ फोसावनाय जादों। 1925 मायथाइयाव गामि जौगाथाय आफाद, 1925 मायथाइयाव उइभिं सेन्टार, 1929 मायथाइयाव साइमन कमिसननो बर'नि जौगानाय आरो रैखाथिनि थाखाय गोसोखां बिलाइ गथायनाय जादों आरो 1934 मायथाइयाव रुपसियाव महात्मा गान्धीखौ गुरुदेवा लोगो हमनानै बर'नि जि मोनसे हारिमु बेखौ दिन्थिफुंदों। आरो मोनसे गोनां बाथ्रा जे गुरुदेव कालीचरण ब्रह्मखौ गुरुदेव होननानै जायगानि मानसिफ्रा बिमुं होदोंमोन 1905 मायथाइयाव आरो 1934 मायथाइयाव गुरुदेव कालीचरण ब्रह्मखौ मेस गान्धी होननानै मोनसे बिमुं होदोंमोन जायगानि बर' सुबुंफ्रा। बै समाव महात्मा गान्धीखौ बरायनो थाखाय रायजोफोरखौ थागथियारि खालामनायाव गासिबो खामानिफोरखौ नायगिदिंनो महात्मा गान्धीनि सफैनायनि सिगां गुरुदेवा बै जायगायाव बेरायहैदोंमोन आरो बै जायगानि मानसिफ्रा गुरुदेवखौनो महात्मा गान्धी फैबाय होननानै महात्मा गान्धीनि जै होदोंमोन। नाथाय उनाव मिथिनानै मोनबाय जे महात्मा गान्धीया सफैथ'वाखै, बियो गुरुदेव कालीचरण ब्रह्मसो। आरो बै समनिफ्रायनो गुरुदेव कालीचरण ब्रह्मखौ मेस गान्धी होननानैबो जायगानि सुबुंफ्रा बुंनो हमबाय। जों दिनै फोसावनो मोननानै गोजोननाय मोन्दों। नैबे मोनसे गोनां अकेजनाव, बे मोनसे गोनां हाबाफारियाव गसाइगाव B.Ed कलेजनि गासिबो मानगोनां फोरोंगिरि आरो अफिस स्टाफआ सानसेनि दरमाहाखौ दान होनानै जायगानि माखासे सुबुंफोरनो रेसन होनायनि जों दिनै लाहार फाहार खालामदों। आरो जों मिथिगौ जे जायगानि माखासे सुबुंफ्रा लकडाउननि थाखाय गुबुनाव खामानि मावहैनो हायाखै, रां खामायनो हायाखै। बिथांमोनहा जानायाव लोंनायाव माखासे दुखु सहायनो गोनां जादों। जोङो मिजिंथिदों बियो सानसेनि जि दरमाहा बेखौ जि दान होदों आरो बे दानखौ लानानै जोङो 50 न'खरनिबो बांसिन रायजो राजाफोरनो जोङो मोनसे स्मल एमाउन्ट जोङो दिनै गथायनो सानदों। आरो आङो कलेजनि गोरायुं जानानै जे साफ्रोमबो मानगोनां फोरोंगिरि आरो अफिस स्टाफ बिथांमोनखौ आं साबायखर बावबाय, बिथांमोनहा गोसो गुदुङै बेखौ दान होनायनि थाखाय। आरो जोबनायाव दिनै गुरुदेव कालीचरण ब्रह्मनि जि 83थि रुंसारि सान, बे सानाव गसाइगाव B.Ed कलेजनि जानानै लोगोसे गुरुदेव कालीचरण ब्रह्म ट्रास्टनि जानानै आङो साफ्रोमबो रायजो राजानिसिम आंनि खुलुमनायखौ बावहरबाय। खुलुमबाय। गुड मर्निं, नमस्कार। Today the 8 May 83rd death anniversary of Gurudev Kaliccharan Brahma. The governing body Gossaigaon B.Ed College has already decided to observe 8 May, the death anniversary of Gurudev Kalesaran Brahma as Gurudev Kalesaran Brahma Literary Festival. This Gurudev Kalesaran Brahma Literary Festival will be observed every year on 8 May, the death anniversary of Gurudev Kalesaran Brahma, inviting all the students of the neighboring schools. And on that particular occasion, different literary activities will be organized, like art competition, poem recitation, quiz competition, debating, essay writing, and different literary activities will be organized. Today, the 83rd death anniversary of Gurudev, the first Gurudev Kalesaran Brahma Literary Festival, but due to subsequent lockdown, we are not in a position to observe the program in a gorgeous manner. A few faculty members and the office staffs of Gossaigaon B College have paid homage to Gurudev. As we know that Kalesaran Mess was reverentially called Gurudev in the year 1905 because of his spiritual strength. Gurudev Kalesaran Brahma was not only the spiritual leader, not only the spiritual guru, he was a social reformer. Under his able leadership, Bodo Student Union was formed in the year 1919. A Brahmo Company was established in 1912, and a Boro Sonmilan was organized in the year 1921. Farmers Association was formed in the year 1923. Bibar, the first Bodo magazine, was published in the year 1925. Village Development Committee was formed in the year 1925. Weaving Center was set up in the year 1925. A memorandum for the all-round development and the security of the Bodos were submitted to Simon Commission in the year 1929, and he met Mahatma Gandhi in the year 1934 at Rupsi, and he exhibited the Bodo culture. At that time, the Kalesaran Gurudev was called Kalesaran Mess by the people of the locality. What happens that that time people were ready to welcome Mahatma Gandhi and to supervise the different activities. Before the arrival of the Mahatma Gandhi, Gurudev visited, and people thought that Mahatma Gandhi has already arrived, but what happens that it was not the Mahatma Gandhi, it was the Gurudev Kalesaran Brahma, and then the people used to say him Kalesaran Mess. So we know that Kalesaran Gurudev was not only the spiritual leader, he was the social reformer, and to preserve the philosophy of Gurudev is our responsibility, and we every year will organize the Gurudev Kalesaran Brahma Literary Festival with a view to inspire the literary spirit in the students and to preserve the philosophy of Gurudev Kalesaran Brahma. I am very much happy to say that on this special occasion, we are distributing ration to the more than 50 number of needy families of the local area, and I am very much thankful to all the office staffs and to all the esteemed faculty members of Gossaigaon B College, as they have contributed one day salary in connection with distributing ration to the needy family of the local area. As we know that most of the people who depend on daily wage, they are not in a position to work for earning their money. So I think this small amount of ration will be a great help to the needy family. So thank you all.